Okay, my peeps, this is Aya with Lumbry Worms and Garden, Lumbri. This is how we do it. Getting the wormies food ready for them. I'm going to be adding some coffee grounds. Here's my kitchen compost container. I decided to mark it up so that we all know what to do. Yeah, we know what to do, what we can put and what we don't want to put. Simple. It comes with a lid like this with a carbon filter, so the kitchen is still, not affected by this composting. So many ways you can do it. This is how we do it. These vegetables and fruits came straight out of the freezer, and the bread, and it will thaw out, and just on top of shredded cardboard, and it'll create some thickness. This is not going to be in there. It'll create some moisture, and that's what we need. It'll break down faster too because it's frozen, and the bugs, helps with the bugs when you freeze it. I'm going to cover it with this after I add the coffee grounds. Here I got a lot of coffee grounds to add, I have a lot outside of this, but I'm going to use these to recycle for my kitchen. This is what I drink coffee. And then once I get through adding the coffee, I will add this layer of cardboard, shredded cardboard, to the top, because this is going to get really moist, and it could stink if I don't have the right amount of cardboard in there to deal with the moisture. So anyway, I with Lumbry Worms and Garden, Lumbri, and that is all I know for now.